Go.
So,
Lights, camera.
Action.
so, sir, what is civic education for you?
For me, civic education is the direct participation of the youth that or every individual, I guess.
And what is the relevance of civic participation for the students?
As we all know, as Patricia said, youth is the hope of the nation, and I think time will come na sila naman yung mag-i-establish ng ating government. And I know what they learn today will be very much important in their future.
And third, what is the main issue or other issues encountered in teaching civics in the classroom?
Of course, we all know that the students' behavior, the students' mind, thinking is molded in the classroom. And I know foundation like this could help them in the near future in doing civic works, in joining civic organizations, where can they directly participate and get involved with for the betterment not only of them, for themselves but also for the